Using 240 grit sandpaper, let's give it a fine sand to clean and key the surface up for the crystal tile paint to take adhesion to it. Then using metho, mineral turps to just wipe it clean. Don't use any cleaners that leave a residue, because we want a good, clean, solid surface for the paint to stick to. Don't use sugar soap or anything, or silicone cleaners. We don't want any residue left. The charcoal colour, and we're going to use a mohair roller, which is a short nap roller. That'll give us the best finish. Okay, second coat, we're going to just give it a light sand. With 240 grit, wet or dry, doesn't matter. Helps the second coat bond to the first coat, making the keying the surface, makes it a little bit more porous and sticks better. Quick wipe down, get all the dust off. We're using the crystal paints and brush cleaner. It's like a strong solvent. It's a bit stronger than turps, but it evaporates quickly. Mohair roller. There we have it. New bench top.
If you would like to know more about this product or any of our other products, please contact the factory directly.